Hi guys, welcome all. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today I'm going to talk about the GoPro adapter. So we all know that GoPro motovlogging setup is incomplete without GoPro adapter. So doesn't matter which GoPro you have, either it's 8, 9, 10 or 11 or 12. So I recently bought GoPro 12. So for which I was considering and looking for a cheap option to buy a GoPro adapter. So this is a website from where I have ordered the GoPro adapter. The website name is I am student. So I'll put the link in the chat window. This GoPro adapter I got it only for 3875. If you can read the price, generally we will get the GoPro adapter for 4800. But this one I got it only for 3875. So I'll just show you. This is official GoPro adapter. If you can see the price and GoPro branding. So yeah, this is the way you can get the GoPro adapter at very discounted price. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. GoPro stop recording.